Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight to all my friends near and far. This is Marilyn, your friendly Filipino carpentera here in America. And today guys, ay ipapakita ko sa inyo yung panonood namin ng professional baseball dito sa state namin. So ito po yung arena. And at this juncture, we were falling in line to get our handband. How come it's blue? It should be red.
That's a different color every day.
Your ring is so cute.
Oh, thank you. There you go.
Thank you. So as we entered, we were greeted with so many people. At saka, ito pala yung dining mess nila. Mess area. And that's my husband. And we are together with Heidi, our friend. Yung naka-white na magandang dilag. And with her husband. Tapos hanap-hanap kami ng mga pagkain dyan. Ang daming pagkain, guys. And mahanap ako ng guys, ng sinigang, naghahanap ako ng lechon, o kahit man lang dilatang 555, wala talaga guys, puro mga pagkaing Amerikano. Yum, yum.
You like corned beef?
I'm sorry, what's that?
Corned beef.
Corned beef? Oh yes, yes. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mga VIP ning mga tao dire.
VIP na?
Kita rin din VIP. And there's my husband. So before the game started, kumain muna kami. Yan yung Cheetos. And after that, nagbayang magiliw na guys. Kaya tumindig na yung lahat ng mga people.
Heroes of our police. Please welcome from the Claremont County Sheriff's Office, Corrections Officer Tessa Ellis. Lead us to the singing of our national anthem.
By the dawn's early light, what so proudly we hailed at twilight's last gleam, whose bright and bright stars.
So yan yung mga players from our state, and nagbabayang magilaw kami kaya may special effect din dyan sa stadium. And then sabi ni Corwin, yung asawa ni Heidi na friend namin na nakita nyo sa video, is yung singer daw ay kasamahan niya sa work. So yan. Look at how big the arena is, guys. Yung video ko na ito ay super focus na talaga. In-enlarge ko na talaga yung orientation ng cellphone. And still, look at the people. It looks so small. Tapos kami, yung location namin is nasa VIP suite kami. So we were like at the very top of the gymnasium. Hindi naman ito gymnasium. Nasa pinakataas kami. Tapos focus ko na nga on this or the players. Look at the people. Parang sila mga malimit na bato. And yun, focus din yung part of the audiences. Yan. Tapos ako nga nag-jump ako sana na hoping na makunan ako. At least makita isang magandang mga bilag na Pilipina. Joke. Pero wala eh, kahit na nagkakambling na ako, hindi pa rin ako nakita eh. Kasi naman reporters kasi tayo, kaya walang effect yung pag-ano natin. So look at that, guys. So we were, as you can see, we were really at the top of the risers. Tapos yung mga players para na lang stick. So ganyan kalaki yung arena dito. And oh my goodness, kailangan mong, pag may kasama ka tapos sa ibang part sila ng arena, kailangan mo ng binoculars para makita mo kung saan sila. But this is a fun game. So yun, nag-start na yung mga players dito. Later on, pakita ko sa inyo yung clip ng yung umpire na ito ng bola. You know how fast these people like pitch? Oh my goodness, like it's probably 150 ano ba yun, yung velocity? 150 miles per hour. It's really crazy, guys. So, ang team sa nag-play dito is Cincinnati Reds versus Arizona. Unfortunately, in this game, as useless as usual, hindi kami nanalo. But it was a very good game, very close call. Kaya enjoy pa rin kami kahit hindi kami nanalo. This juncture, guys, you must stop yung game kasi naigo ng bola yung umpire. Eh di ba may mask yung umpire? Bakit siya naigo ng bola? Eh hindi ko na videohan, guys. Sayang talaga nabalintong siya. Hindi naman nabalintong, but naigo siya kasi I was so focused. Sayang hindi ko na video kasi I was focused on what was happening in there in the field. Kaya late ko na, sabi ko, oh my gosh, hindi ko na video kasi nakikipag-marites pa ako kung ano talagang nangyari sa kanya. Kaya tingnan natin. Yeah, this is the after event na nangyari. Tapos, kasi kahit na enlarge na yung orientation ko, eh, hindi ko pa rin makita masyadong, kaya nakafocus na lang ako sa TV. So, yan yung yan yung umpire na naigo. I don't know kung saan siya naigo, basta kay naigo siya ng bola. And it took several minutes before, you know, the play continued, the game continued, kasi ina-assure nila, kinonfirm nila kung buhay pa ba. Joke, kung okay lang ba yung umpire. And so far naman, okay na siya, kaya ito, balik na naman yung game. Guys, may i-chika ako sa inyo. In this video, may makita kayong magandang binibini sa harapan ko na may dalang bat, baseball bat. Tingnan nyo, guys. Actually, yung baseball bat na yan ay puno ng beer. Yan, oh. Ang laki ng beer. Imagine, isang baseball bat puno ng beer. Yan yung yan yung glass na ginagamit niya. And then, guys, 3 baseball bats ng beer yung naubos niya for the entire game. Tapos nakakalakad pa siya. Oh my goodness, buti na lang may kasamahan siya. Kaya hindi siya siguro ang nagda-drive. Kasi dito bawal talaga mag-inom ng beer while driving. look at the bleachers, guys. Madami mga vacant na seats kasi itong inutil na team namin, hindi naman inutil, but itong team namin ay palagi talaga silang natatalo, kaya walang naiengganyo na magbayad ng napakamahal para mag-watch ng game in person. Yan ang player na maganda din siya. I think his last name is India. Napaka-weird na last name, but he's a good player. This is the original size font orientation ng clip ko. At tingnan nyo yung mga tao, guys. Mukha na lang mumho. Ano ba yung mumho sa Tagalog? But anyway, ang hirap-hirap talaga mag-Tagalog. But anyway, na-slow-mo ko yung clip na ito kasi na-attract talaga yung attention ko dyan sa magandang dilag dyan sa harapan ko na I think this was her third batch of beer. Ewan ko lang kung nakaano pa siya, hindi pa siya naduduling sa katitingin dahil sa nainom niya. But anyway, bilib din ako sa babaeng ito. Di ko kaya yan. Wala sa powers kung uminom ng ganyan kadami. So, ito na guys, after the game, ipauwi na kami, tapos ang daming mga tao nakalinya sa elevator, kaya, itong asawa ko, obvious siya na, parang nadismaya together with my company, so, but it was a good game.
It was a good fight,
Nasisiyahan pa rin kami.
It was a good fight.
No, I can't.
Alright, so the following clips are features of our little city here in America. So, makikita niyo yung buildings, and ito siya yung feature ko nung hindi pa nag-start yung game while it was still day out. So this is my city, and you can see the river over there, and then I don't know, people on the ground are the players. No, it seems like they're just kids. So our professional baseball team here is called my husband. But yeah, it was a good game. Kaya lang napildi kami. And look at what I've got here.
First time.
So ito na yung uwian after the games. Enjoy the view of our beautiful city. like this place.